everyone, so today
I don't wanna
I'm
die
here
like
with like MJ's server kind of, and I'm also watching her live stream, not gonna lie. Oh, she has the gun.
Oh, the god there.
Maybe one more round.
The gun. Come on, the last round. Surely. I think it's over. Where'd she go? Okay, I have a gun.
category in which she was nominated.
Oh, that was.
That Miss Lynette Mendez,
What? No,
like
that's
like
embarrassing.
you,
That's
and
actually.
agreed voluntarily
There we go.
to perpetrate the confusion that attended the
Okay,
awarding
well, that was our
ceremony.
last round. So.
I say now that Miss Greta Barredo
Thanks.
and Miss Rebecca Babaji knew and consented to assist me in having Miss Rosa Gavieres declared the best actress. Finally, I pray that this statement shall put an end
No, she's gonna
to all
live.
the
I think he's gonna
speculation
live.
that have surrounded the Manila Film Festival Awards
Jade.
tonight.
Leave! Sikat na sikat si Chiquito! Wala nang naman ang pahinga kundi pangalan ni Chiquito. Alam ba ninyo ang sabihin niya? Hindi umi-epekto yung mga paninira na ginagawa natin sa kanya. Mahina ang ating arangkada. At pag minabalas-malas tayo, maaaring makatawid pa ng mensyola si Chiquito. Kaya ang kinakailangan gawin natin ay lalong palakasin itong kampanya ng panduduro, paninira kay Chiquito. Meron yan na kaibigan isip na negosyante. Alam natin na ito'y malingit. Walang masamang tinapay ito eh. Ngunit hindi gano'n ang palalabasin natin. Basta't ito, kinakailangan tulakunan natin na putik at mantsahan natin ang kredibilidad ng muntik kaya. At kung maaari ay humanap tayong matitinding isyo at iyan natin ang pangalan ng Chiquito. Para sa inyo, medyo nararamdaman ko para kayong nag-aalala yata. Huwag kayong matakot. Malaki pa naman ako naging malapit ko sa ita. Kung hindi ko siya kayang masakin. Kayo.
A Mayor D.